Good morning, everyone, students, parents, respected guests of honors from British Embassy, from British Council, students, friends, families, my teammates from our college. It is my great pleasure to stand here and say a few words in such an important event of our college and our graduating students. It is a proud and happy moment for us. Graduation ceremony is not only about celebrating the success of completion of the course and getting a degree, but I believe it is a symbol of realization that now we are moving to a new phase of life, a new you, a new life with more challenges, a new life with more sense of responsibilities, a new life with new opportunities, a new life with lots of hope to move your life forward, a life where now you meet new professional friends and community in the tech industry. A life where you now have to become your own guardian, take your own decision of your life and carry forward. So it is such a fortunate time for you all. You are a graduate at this point of time when Nepal is changing itself into a digital Nepal and where IT opportunities are growing massively, locally and globally. So it's lucky you when Nepal has transformed into the land of opportunities for IT students, techpreneurs, time when Nepal has successfully established a new constitution, a stable government, a new Nepal, where we have full electricity supplies, where there is no load settings, no hurdles, more better laws to work for, better lifestyles, a new Nepal with emerging IT companies, digital wallets, e-commerce companies, IoT, robotics and AI companies flourishing in Nepal to bring more jobs and opportunities to our homeland and our beautiful country. Graduating is just a beginning to learn things. So it is not that you have learned everything. You have a lot of things to learn further. Learn to work in the workplace, learn soft skills, learn team building, managing your stress, building professional networks, expecting real, and most importantly, exploring the new potential inside you, the new version of yourself to excel your life in a successful way. Success is not only about earning money or operating your job positions. It is about balancing your career along with your personal lives, family relations, friends, healthy life, getting rid of stress, overcoming problems, and moving forward, failing many times, but in the right direction. I am confident that our graduates have built a strong foundation during the college to move life ahead into technology, on good friends, good experience, and beautiful memories to remember for a lifetime. Now we are in a new world. We are a citizen of internet. Technology is ruling the world. Country who is strong in technology is going to generate more revenue, more business, more jobs and opportunities. Now it is the time where the whole world has become a small town and when you don't have to travel to find opportunities for your life. There were times when you need to travel to seek opportunities. But now you don't have to. If you have right skills, if you have learned right skills, you can make a good website, software, mobile apps, enjoying a good coffee at top of Sarankot, Pokhara, Jomsom or any Kathmandu hills and earn dollars from US companies, UK companies or any abroad companies. So this is definitely a new area that has begun. This is the internet world which has given equal opportunities to all who are the citizens of internet. So IT jobs are one of the highest paid jobs globally. AI, robotics, IoT, web, mobile apps, game design, e-commerce are the future for the young generation, and it is already coming to Nepal. It is only the matter of time, or it's about the skills about you to grab their opportunities. So this is the entrepreneur's time. There are a lot of opportunities for IT graduates to become an entrepreneur with very less investment. So work for few years, collect and sharpen your skills, and start your own business. That should be the aim for all IT graduates. So this is a new area, and I strongly believe that our graduates are capable to grab the opportunity. It's entrepreneurs' time. Nepal needs more entrepreneurs, needs more jobs and businesses. While you are doing business for yourself, you are also making a good contribution to the nation towards a digital Nepal vision. So the key points that I want to share from my own experience to have a successful life, to have a successful career is you have to dare to dream. You have to dream big and never give up even if there is a failing procedures, because you have to fail a lot of time to become a success. Keep focus on your goal. Just plan what you want to become. Think deeply about yourself, what you can do in future and what you want to become in future. Never stop learning. I'm still learning new things. So you should never stop learning. Learn to hold your team. So if you have developed your team, you have to learn to hold that team, because team is the biggest asset, biggest strength for the success. It is very hard to hold the team, but if you can hold the team, then it can be a very milestone for you. You need to have a lot of tolerance and a lot of sacrifice to build a new team. You have to take risks in the life, so you have to learn to take risks also. You have to take your decisions. Going abroad for studies. Once you finish your bachelor, there is a train in Nepal. You want to go abroad for higher studies. So for studies and work, of course, but come back to Nepal, because this is where your parents live, your families live. Abroad is for getting experience and use for our country. Live here, this will help Nepal go forward. Every drop counts to build a great ocean. Yes, we can do. Don't feel हाम्रो देश बन्दैन. Don't feel like that. र केही पनि छैन. Don't feel like that. हाम्रो देश बन्छ. We can do. अनि हामीले नै बनाउने हो. यसरी नै बन्छ हाम्रो देश. So congratulations to all graduates. Work hard. Success may come sooner or later, but it is definitely going to come to you if you are consistent to your hard work. You need to keep moving to your path. Make your parents proud, make us proud, make the community proud, make your friends proud, and make great studies of your life. Thank you so much.